So for this method, the line method, it's a good method to use if you don't really want to have to remember lots of formulae, but you do still need to be able to use the method and use it consistently. Makes sense, doesn't it? So what we're doing really for every single cumulative frequency question is we are basically drawing a cumulative frequency graph. So if we plot a cumulative frequency graph for this particular example here, then you would have your cumulative frequencies on the y-axis, your heights on the x-axis, and the graph could be joined up using line segments. So let's say we wanted to work out what the 30th value along was. We would use a ruler, draw a dotted line up to the graph, draw a dotted line down, and therefore the 30th value would be around here, around 28, 29. It's basically what we're doing. So if we want to find the median, we work out n over 2. In this case, n is 36. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. So we want the 18th value, and the 18th value is in the 20 to 30 class. So if we were using the graph, then we would draw a dotted line across, dotted line down, and we'd say it was around 23. What we're going to do instead is we're going to use the line method. So drawing the line. So the line always gets drawn like this, whether you're finding median, quartiles, whatever. And we know that we want the 18th value, and we know that that's the median. So I'm going to put that like that. It doesn't matter which way around you do, so long as you're consistent with the other values that you put down. So the median is one of the data values. So this is actually data, as in this case it's heights, and it's between 20 and 30. So we put 20 there and 30 there. The 18 is your cumulative frequencies, and that cumulative frequency is between 13 and the 32. Now we've got our line, we just use proportion to get our value. So m, oh dear, that's a terrible m, isn't it? M minus 20 over 18 minus 32, not 32, 18 minus 13. So at the moment we're using these values, and that is equal to, going for a different colour, decisions, purple. We now use the whole of the line, we're using the endpoints, so 32 minus 13, no it's not, delete, it's because I normally do it around this way, so I don't know why I've done it around the other way. So because my median is on the numerator, I need to make sure I put the heights on the numerator, 30 minus 20 over, and my cumulative frequencies go on the denominator, 32 minus 13. And then I need to solve that, so I get, I'm going to change my colour again just to be annoying and waste some time. Oh, eraser, see? So I have m minus 20 over 18 minus 13 is 5, 10 and 19. So that means we get that m equals 20 plus, if you can't see where this has come from, please pause it and make sure you ask. 5 times 10 over 19. And if you have watched any of the other videos, it's basically exactly the same calculation as before. We end up with 22.63157 ... 22.6 to 3 significant figures. Okay. So you're going to try this out now, and you're going to calculate the quartiles, the 7th decile, and the 65th percentile. The solutions are to follow, so I would strongly recommend that you pause and then have a look at the solutions once you've tried the questions out. So Q1, this time I normally do, I don't know why I did it in the video, but normally I put the Q1 or M or whatever it is I'm finding on the top of the line. So Q1 I put top of the line, which means that 10 and 20 are the values that go on either side. And the 5, 9 and 13 are our cumulative frequencies. So we've got our heights here and our cumulative frequencies here. We do Q1 minus 10, 9 minus 5, 20 minus 10, 13 minus 5, and then work it out just like we did before. Q3, similar. D7, by the time I got to D7, I haven't written the step in between putting it into a calculation and then doing the calculations. So if you're not sure how to get from this one to this one, then please ask. And P65. So here you have another question to try. Answers follow, not solutions. So if you try the questions and your answers don't agree, then please do query it. So you're calculating median, quartiles, third decile and 35th percentile for this data. And as it says, take care with the classes, because these classes don't meet up. You have to make them meet up. So for instance, this class goes from 2.95, not 3, and it goes up to 3.25. Okay, pause now and try it. Here are the answers. As I said, do query any that you don't agree with. And if you need more practice, which I strongly recommend, then you can go onto the Physics and Maths Tutor website using the link that's given, or just using a search engine. Go into the S1 by topic or questions by topic and look at the representation and summary data. If you want to see work solutions of exam questions, then Exam Solutions is a great website to use. Again, if you just put it into a search engine, it's normally the first one to come up. Okay, thank you very much.